Now, we've all had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and we've all had a grilled cheese sandwich. But have you ever had a peanut butter and jelly grilled cheese with bacon? This is gonna surprise you. Come on.
Peanut butter and jelly grilled cheese with bacon. Generously spread peanut butter onto some hearty bread. Top with dollops of grape jelly. Then add some crispy bacon. Go ahead and layer it up. Now top it off with some freshly sliced white cheddar cheese. Okay, now let's close it up and butter one side. Place the sandwich on a heated grill or pan. While the sandwich is grilling, butter the other side. Let's see if it's ready to turn. Oh, it is. Let's flip it. Keep grilling until the other side is golden brown and the cheese is melty.
The secret to this sandwich is the white cheddar. This is gonna be good. Now get in the kitchen.